Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file simple tax return full guide. Start by gathering your W-2, Form 1099, ID, and last year's return, then choose Filing Status and Calculate Income. I'll walk you through common deductions, basic credits, and when to use standard versus itemized deductions. Stay relaxed. I'll keep terms simple and show concrete examples so you can complete your return confidently and avoid common mistakes. Start by entering wages from your W-2 exactly as shown, then add any Form 1099 income and report interest or dividends. I'll explain which lines to use and how to handle small freelance jobs or side gigs. Keep receipts for deductible expenses and separate business costs from personal spending. Follow these steps to ensure your income is complete and accurate so you avoid delays or audits later. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and future guides. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs well with tax planning and long-term saving strategies. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a copy if you're curious. Now let's get back to the video. Decide between the standard deduction and itemizing by comparing totals, and I'll show a simple checklist to help. Look for credits like child tax credit or education credits that reduce tax owed dollar for dollar. Track deductible expenses such as mortgage interest or state taxes if you itemize. I'll also explain earned income credit basics so eligible filers can claim maximum benefit and lower their overall tax liability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.